Oke guys, nama saya Muhammad Ismail Lamzah dari kelas A PBI semester 5. Baik, jadi di sini saya akan menyelesaikan tugas ujian akhir mata kuliah interpreting, yaitu menjadi seorang interpreting. Jadi di sini saya akan menggunakan metode consecutive interpreting.
In somebody else's territory, or trying to have power over something you have no control. Another one of my favorite teachings is The Wizard of Oz. When the Wicked Witch of the West says, go away from here because you don't have any power here, you have no power in any territory other than your own.
Berada di wilayah orang lain atau mencoba menguasai sesuatu yang tidak bisa kita kendalikan adalah kesalahan. Kita tidak memiliki kekuatan dimanapun selain di wilayah kita sendiri. Seperti dalam The Wizard of Oz, ketika penyihir jahat dari barat berkata, pergilah, kamu tidak punya kekuasaan di sini.
Oh, but you are the master of that. You get to be the master of your own fate. You get to be the captain of your own soul. And if you just manage that, if you just took care of your territory, oh, the glorious, 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 wondrous, wondrous opportunities and possibilities that are waiting for you.
Kitalah pengusaha atas wilayah kita sendiri. Kita berhak menjadi pengusaha dan kapten atas jiwa kita sendiri. Jika kita mampu mengelola, menjaga wilayah kita, maka peluang dan kemungkinan luar biasa akan terbuka lebar di hadapan kita.
So the question is, what are you resisting? What are you pushing against? What are you not allowing? What are you blocking because you have this idea of who and what you're supposed to be, instead of leaning into the dream that's already been created and waiting for you. It's waiting for you. And the second, it's an instant thing. It's a shift in the way you see yourself and the power from which.
Pertanyaannya adalah, apa yang sedang kita lawan? Apa yang kita tolak, apa yang tidak kita izinkan. Seringkali kita terjebak pada gambar tentang siapa seharusnya diri kita, padahal ada mimpi yang sudah tersedia dan sedang menunggu untuk kita jalani. Semua itu dimulai dari perubahan cara kita. Memandang diri sendiri dan sumber kekuatan kita.
I went through some tough times after I left the Oprah show. I made a conscious decision that when I felt I had said all that I could say and the audience had heard it, that I would move on and that I would not spend my life regretting or trying to hold on to what used to be or hold on to what I had.
Saya telah melalui masa-masa sulit. Setelah meninggalkan acara Oprah, saya memutuskan bahwa ketika saya sudah menyampaikan semua yang bisa saya sampaikan dan penonton sudah mendengarkannya, saya akan melangkah maju tanpa terus menyesali masa lalu atau mempertahankan apa yang pernah saya miliki.
So I dreamed this dream of starting a network. And in the beginning, it was a struggle. It was a struggle because honest to goodness, I did not know what I was doing. I was trying to figure it out. I thought that the Oprah show audience would follow us to OWN, and then I realized y'all didn't have cable. And if you had cable, you did not have the OWN package. So it took me a minute.
Saya kemudian bermimpi membangun sebuah jaringan televisi. Pada awalnya semuanya terasa sangat sulit karena saya benar-benar tidak tahu apa yang sedang saya lakukan. Saya mencoba memahami semuanya. Saya mengira penonton acara opera akan mengikuti kami, tetapi ternyata banyak dari mereka tidak memiliki TV kabel atau paket saluran kami. Semua itu membutuhkan waktu.
And unlike most people who you get to have your mistakes in private, some don't go right in your life, you get to sulk about it in private. If I make a mistake, it's on the CNN crawl or the CNN news. So when I was in the climb and there were so many wonderful owners, I see Churl Action Jackson here. There were so many wonderful owners, people who said, oh, we're going to stand with you. We're going to stand by you. Thank you, Roland Martin. There were so many people who said, listen, we believe that this can happen.
Berbeda dengan kebanyakan orang yang bisa membuat kesalahan secara pribadi, kesalahan saya sering terjadi di hadapan publik. Jika saya melakukan kesalahan, hal itu bisa muncul di CNN. Namun, di masa itu juga banyak orang luar biasa yang mendukung dan berkata bahwa mereka percaya mimpi ini bisa terwujud.
So I dreamed the dream, along with Tyler Perry, who was my friend, who came to me and said, Tyler said, I'm going to help you out, because Tyler can go home and write a script and direct it, produce it, and shoot it, and do it for less money than anybody in Hollywood. So we started with the foundation of have and have nots.
Saya bermimpi bersama Tyler Perry, seorang teman saya yang bersedia membantu. Ia mampu menulis, menyutradarai, memproduksi, dan merekam karya dengan biaya jauh lebih rendah dibandingkan Hollywood. Dari situlah kami membangun sesuatu yang berbeda dan unik.
If loving you is wrong, love thy neighbor, Mama Hattie. And then I started to dream another dream about scripted television, because in the beginning I was told you couldn't do it. You couldn't do it, didn't have enough money to do it. And I dreamed the dream. I read Proverbs 11:28 that says, those who trust in their riches will fall, but the righteous will rise and thrive like a green leaf.
Jika mencintaimu itu salah, maka cintailah sesamamu, kata Mama Hati. Setelah itu, saya bermimpi lagi tentang televisi berskrip. Banyak orang mengatakan hal itu tidak mungkin dan tidak ada cukup dana. Tetapi saya tetap mempercayai mimpi tersebut. Saya teringat Asmal 11:28 yang mengatakan bahwa orang yang hanya bergantung pada kekayaan akan jatuh. Tetapi orang benar akan bangkit dan bertumbuh seperti daun yang hijau.